What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to compare Firefox and Brave. Which browser is for you? Firefox and Brave are two popular web browsers, each with distinct features and user experiences. This comparison highlights their performance, privacy and security, and user interface. So first up, let's discuss performance. Brave is designed for speed, often loading pages up to 3 times faster than traditional browsers like Chrome and Firefox due to its default ad and tracker blocking. This streamlined approach reduces the amount of data processed, which is particularly beneficial on slower internet connection or older devices. However, some users have reported performance issues, particularly with video playback and scrolling on dynamic websites, indicating that while Brave excels in many areas, it can encounter specific challenges. Mozilla Firefox, on the other hand, has made significant strides in performance, particularly with its Quantum engine, which enhances speed and responsiveness. By utilizing a multi-process architecture, Firefox effectively manages system resources, resulting in faster page loading times and improved stability. Regular updates ensure that the browser remains competitive, delivering a seamless browsing experience even with multiple tabs open. When it comes to privacy and security, Brave blocks third-party ads and trackers automatically. This not only enhances security but also prevents data collection by advertisers, making it a strong choice for users concerned about surveillance and privacy violations. Additionally, Brave offers features like HTTPS Everywhere integration and a built-in VPN, further enhancing its security profile. The browser's commitment to user privacy is a core aspect of its design philosophy, distinguishing it from many mainstream alternatives. Firefox, on the other hand, incorporates features like enhanced tracking protection that automatically blocks over 2,000 trackers. Its commitment to transparency is evident through regular security updates and a robust privacy policy. Users can also utilize tools like Firefox Monitor to check for data breaches and the Facebook Container extension to limit tracking from social media platforms. When it comes to user interface, Brave is clean, modern, and intuitive, resembling other Chromium-based browsers to facilitate easy navigation for new users. Key features include a straightforward address bar and customizable privacy settings, along with a user-friendly dashboard that displays metrics like time saved from ad blocking. Recent updates have introduced enhancements such as voice search and the AI assistant Brave Leo, further improving usability and accessibility. Firefox, on the other hand, is designed for simplicity and efficiency, featuring a clean layout that allows easy navigation. Customization options enable users to tailor their experience with themes, toolbars, and extensions. The intuitive design includes a streamlined address bar and tab management features, making it accessible for both new users and seasoned web veterans alike. When it comes to reliability, Brave is generally considered reliable. However, some users have reported inconsistencies in performance, particularly when handling complex websites or video content. While many enjoy a seamless experience, others have experienced slow page loading or stuttering during video playback. Overall, Brave's reliability can depend on individual system configurations and usage patterns, suggesting that it may not be universally optimal for all users. On the other hand, reliability is a cornerstone of Firefox's design, with consistent performance across various platforms. Its multi-process architecture enhances stability by isolating web content from their main browser process, reducing crashes and slowdowns. Regular updates ensure that Firefox remains compatible with the latest web standards while addressing bugs and security vulnerabilities promptly, making it a dependable choice for users. For their standout features, Brave includes several innovative features that set it apart, such as the AI assistant Leo, which helps users with tasks like summarizing content. Additionally, it offers a built-in crypto wallet for secure transactions and Brave Search for private browsing without tracking. These features enhance overall functionality while maintaining a focus on user privacy and security. Firefox, on the other hand, includes several unique features that enhances the browsing experience. Notably, the picture-in-picture mode allows users to watch videos while navigating other tabs seamlessly. Additionally, Firefox's reader view simplifies web pages for easier reading by removing distractions. The browser also supports a wide range of extensions to further expand its capabilities, catering to various users' needs from productivity to entertainment. In conclusion, both Brave and Firefox offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. Brave excels in speed and automatic privacy features, making it ideal for those seeking a fast, secure browsing experience without extensive setup. On the other hand, Firefox shines in customization and flexibility, appealing to users who prioritize personalized interface. Ultimately, your choice will depend on whether you value performance or customization more, ensuring you find the browser that best fits your online habits. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.